Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replace the batteries in your Kwikset Powerbolt 2 lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by going to the interior side of the lock. So here when you go the interior side of the lock, you just have to simply locate the battery cover. Now when you remove the battery cover, you are going to see the battery pack inside it. So you need to carefully pull out all the battery packs and you need to remove the old batteries. After doing so, you need to install 4 new AA alkaline batteries and make sure that the batteries are also inserted in the correct direction according to the polarity markings inside the battery pack. So you will find them over here. So it's recommended to use fresh alkaline batteries and avoid mixing old and new batteries. The rechargeable batteries are generally not recommended for the best performance. So after installing the new batteries, you just have to slide the battery pack into the place and you need to simply reinstall the battery cover. Now once everything is secured, you need to simply just test the lock and then you just have to simply wait until the door works as per your programming. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.